say goodbye. I watch the stars from my windowsill. The whole world is moving and I'm standing still.
Dr. David Outevsky here, and welcome to my lecture, Dance on Camera. This lecture will outline the basic elements of preparing a dance film, including location, storyline, choreography, and angles. We will look at site-specific versus studio shots, choice of production team, clothing, music, and post-production editing. Students will watch several examples of dance films and critically examine the elements discussed in each. We're also going to look at screen dance history and the relationship between camera and dancers throughout the times. We're going to examine how we will fit our dance film within that context and how to stay relevant in the current production and current era. Join me in the course, guys. See you there.